What's up, guys? Reeve here, and today I am checking out a t-shirt company, actually. So I am doing some presents for some friends, and I wanted to give them like t-shirt merch. And since I didn't want to order, a bunch of shirts, like 48, because that's what some companies have minimum order requirements, I decided to look for a company that didn't have a minimum order requirement that would also be somewhat cost effective. So to that end, I found one called Spreadshirt.com, and this company had really reasonable prices. Actually, almost a little bit too reasonable. It really had that too good to be true kind of pricing. But I was like, you know what? I will order one of each design and one of each type of shirt. So I got a 50-50 cotton blend, a 50-50 cotton polyester, and then I got a premium cotton shirt. So I was like, we'll see how each shirt feels, and we'll also get to see how the designs print out, and just go from there. I will say this, as you can see, it is still sealed. It just came in the mail, probably not 10 minutes ago from when I started this video. But points for them getting this to me quickly. I ordered this thing on Saturday. They printed it on Sunday and shipped it on Monday, and it is now Wednesday. So there is that. Now, I will say this. In order to get this video out in a timely fashion, I'm going to be foregoing one aspect that is somewhat critical when you're doing a t-shirt review. And it's one I've noticed is a common thing that no one seems to do. And I recognize I am not doing it, but be fully aware that I am aware that I will do it in future videos. And I will add it to this video through like maybe an update video or even maybe through a tweet. But we'll see how that goes. But the thing I'm going to be skipping over is throwing it in the washer and seeing how it goes. And I'm only doing that, once again, for the sake of speed on this video. If I had more time and I wasn't so conscientious about getting this type of stuff done, I'll probably do it in the video. But I just want to get this video out today just to see what it's like. If it's tacked on at the end, hey, good on me for getting the job done. Other than that, I skipped the bare minimum. But anyways, let's take this out to the bar because actually, I don't have the green screen turned on, do I? Oh, I guess we can do it right here. Okay. Hey, poggers. So let's crack it open. And like I said, I ordered a premium cotton and I ordered a 50-50 polyester blend. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, that, yikes. Okay, so here's the first design. Now, the t-shirt is going to feel not the greatest on the skin. This is the, which one is this? This is the men's premium cotton shirt. The printing is, it's okay. It's definitely low grade. I will say that. This is not a high grade print. Like, I gave them a high res file, and this is not a high grade quality print, but in the end, it looks okay, I guess. It's like a 10-foot shirt. It looks okay. And the t-shirt quality, if you threw this in the wash, I've had these type of shirts before. If you throw this in the wash, the print is absolutely going to start degrading, and it's not going to feel super comfortable. I'll try these on in a second here. And then let's see the second one. So this is the 50-50 blend. And how do I yeah, I don't know, man. Like, it's cute. I will say that. Like, it's Rexel. It is cute, but I don't know. Something about the quality of the colors is just not there. I'm not sure what it is, but yeah, the quality of the colors is just not there. But, and this looks like it was digital printed, but this is 100% going to degrade when it gets in the wash. 100%. I have no illusions about that whatsoever. This shirt does feel more comfortable, but here, let me go throw this on, and I will, and we will try it out. I'm just off here in the corner, so we'll see. I don't feel like editing or cutting out this part. So, whee! And let's put this this on. Oof. Absolutely has that new t-shirt smell. Smells like a little bit like Tabasco. So this is an extra large I got. So coming online, you can see my man tits are right here. And it's definitely going around my stomach. So it's definitely a tighter fit. I would say if you're definitely going to buy these, buy like one size or two sizes bigger. My God, my man tits are big. Okay, let's try this one. This is so this gray one is the 50-50. And now we will try the full cotton blend here. Or the full cotton. Actually, you know what? That's not as uncomfortable as I imagined it would be. As you can see, man tits still there, still wrapping around my stomach. So it's definitely a tight fit. Holy crap, I have to go on a diet. My God. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I wouldn't call this comfortable at all. I would not call this comfortable by any stretch of the imagination. But I guess if you are a slimmer person, this would probably be great for you. If you know you're not fat like most of us are. If you can, like, you know, see the side of yourself without having to like get a pair of binoculars, then hey, you are sitting good. But I'm not really happy. And then I don't know what the hell this white ring is. I have no idea. Is that already starting to chip? What the hell? Is that? Where's that? What the hell is this? Hello? Oh, okay, I have no idea what this white ring is, but I can absolutely tell you for sure, without a doubt, the print's going to degrade as you wash it more, and the shirt is not the most super comfortable. Neither one are. And I knew the gamble I was taking. And I guess if you're doing what I'm doing, where you're sending t-shirts as like presents, not as like merchandise, but as presents, then, you know, hey, this will do you fine. These two shirts together with shipping cost me $45. So not even $50. It's not terrible. It's a pretty good value if you're doing them as presents. But I would say if you're going to do merchandise for like your Twitch stream or your YouTube channel, you would definitely want to find higher quality shirts, like softer shirts than what I got here. And once again, you saw, I just took these out of the package just now. There was no cuts that you saw in this video because I didn't do any cuts. I just filmed and went. But I'm a little bit disappointed, but at the same time though, I'm glad I ordered the samples. And this is something you should always do when you're gonna do anything like this. Always order one, even if the cost is a little higher. Order one, just get an idea of what the quality is. But yeah, but tell me what you guys think of these designs. So this one is just what I use for my like scene transitions. And then this is Rexel. Aw, isn't he cute? Little guy. But yeah, other than that, guys, that's my review of Spreadshirt as like a review and a first impression. Once again, points for speed. Company got to be super fast. But ultimately in the end, I'll use them for the presents because the cost is really cost effective. But as merchandise, I will probably find a better vendor. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hey, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this of me looking at other vendors and seeing who has the best quality. I might give Spreadshirt another try. I might order 2 other designs from 2 other types of shirts, and we'll see how that goes. We will eventually find it because everybody's selling the same type of shirts. So we will find the good one eventually. But guys, thanks so much for tuning in. My name has been Arif, and this has been a review of Spreadshirt, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.